Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will explain on the Mazda CX-7, if you have Mazda CX-7, where to find the fuse guys for the rear window defroster, or also known as rear window defogger. If it doesn't work guys, we'll show you which fuse you need to check. Now, quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this Mazda CX-7 and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below and let us know what you think about the channel. So this is guys the rear window defroster right here, you can see, and if it's not heating up, we'll show you guys which fuse you need to check. So let me show you now quick. Okay, this is guys your fuse box by the car battery right here. How you open, there is one clip here, pull to the front. Now you need to pull the box out, down, more out and up. Okay, let me show you now. Okay, like that. The fuse guys that we're looking at now, okay, is this fuse right here. Okay, this 30 amp fuse guys is for the rear window defroster right here. This is the fuse. In most cases you can tell if it's a good or bad fuse by looking at the display and seeing if the element is burned, but sometimes it's hard to tell. And if it's hard to tell, what do we usually do guys? Okay, grab it, shake it, pull it out. Okay, and I'll show you guys with a voltmeter how you can check it. Now, if you need to replace your fuse guys, we'll have the link to the replacement fuses and see where we buy them for a good price in the description of the video below. Please check it out. Now this voltmeter is amazing guys, it's really nice with the true RMS, so please check it out, you can find the link as well. Now, how you check the fuse? Usually if that fuse is good guys, okay, the voltmeter should show 0, like there is communication. You'll be like touching these two probes together. Check it out. Now let's see if that fuse is good. Okay, this is guys a good fuse. Okay, so we don't need to worry about that. Now if the fuse is good and it's still not working, you may have the switch may be bad, or the window defroster may be burnt, and we'll have a video how to test that. Please check it out on the channel. When you're ready to install it, all we have to do, put it together, okay, like that, push it in. Now you need to grab your cover, you need to install it, and don't forget to close it all the way, because otherwise dust guys, okay, can get in your fuse box. So you gotta make sure that it goes all the way in and close it. Thank you for watching guys, please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.